Hello, future biologists. Welcome to an exciting journey into the economic importance of bacteria and fungi for Class 9 Biology. Today, we are zooming in on a fascinating topic, the useful role of bacteria in medicine. Get ready to discover how these tiny microbes are not just disease causers, but also incredible allies in keeping us healthy. We'll start with the basics, then dive deeper, exploring advanced applications, and finally, look at the cutting-edge science that's shaping the future of medicine. Let's begin. Ever wondered how tiny bacteria help doctors? Let's explore their surprisingly big role in medicine. Bacteria are microscopic, single-celled organisms found everywhere. While some can cause illness, a vast number are incredibly beneficial, especially in the medical field. For instance, they are crucial in producing life-saving antibiotics, which are medicines that either kill or stop the growth of harmful bacteria. Think of them as your body's tiny medical friends, silently working to keep you healthy and fight off infections. They play a foundational role in many medical advancements we often take for granted. One of their most vital roles is in producing antibiotics. Certain helpful bacteria, like those from the Streptomyces genus, naturally make compounds that kill other bacteria. These are harvested and turned into medicines. Bacteria also help create vaccines. These preventive shots often use weakened or killed bacteria, or parts of them, to train our immune system to recognize and fight off specific diseases. Furthermore, genetically engineered bacteria now produce human insulin for diabetics, a major breakthrough. And don't forget the friendly bacteria in our gut that synthesize essential vitamins, like vitamin K, crucial for blood clotting. Time to check your understanding. Think about these questions. First, what is the primary use of antibiotics in medicine? Second, can you name one type of medicine that bacteria help produce? And finally, how do vaccines, sometimes made using bacteria, protect us? Pause and reflect on these, connecting them to what we just learned. Ready to go a bit deeper? Let's uncover more fascinating ways bacteria contribute to our health and medical science. In the realm of antibiotics, bacteria like Streptomyces are true powerhouses. They produce secondary metabolites, compounds that are toxic to other microbes. Through industrial fermentation, these bacteria are grown in massive bioreactors, allowing us to extract antibiotics like streptomycin and tetracycline on a large scale. In vaccine development, bacteria are used in various forms. Live attenuated vaccines, like the BCG for tuberculosis, use a weakened form of the bacterium, while inactivated vaccines, such as for cholera, use killed bacteria to provoke an immune response without causing disease. Genetic engineering has revolutionized medicine, especially with bacteria. Previously, insulin for diabetics was extracted from animal pancreases. Now, the human insulin gene is inserted into E. coli bacteria. These modified bacteria then multiply and produce human insulin, which is harvested and purified. This method is not only safer, reducing allergic reactions, but also far more efficient and sustainable. Additionally, our own commensal gut bacteria, like certain strains of E. coli are vital for synthesizing essential vitamins such as vitamin K, critical for blood clotting, and various B vitamins, contributing significantly to our overall gut health and nutrient absorption. Beyond traditional roles, bacteria are gaining prominence as probiotics. These are live microorganisms, like Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium that when consumed in adequate amounts, confer a health benefit. They help restore healthy gut flora after antibiotic treatment, improve digestion, and boost immunity. Research is also pushing boundaries, exploring bacteria for targeted drug delivery, where they could deliver medicines precisely to diseased areas. They're also being developed as biosensors for rapid disease detection, marking the exciting future of bacterial applications in medicine. Now, let's test your knowledge at a medium level. First, how do Streptomyces bacteria contribute to antibiotic production? Second, describe two types of vaccines that utilize bacteria. Third, explain the significance of genetically engineered bacteria in human insulin production. Fourth, name two essential vitamins synthesized by bacteria in the human gut. And finally, what are probiotics and how do they benefit human health? Take your time to formulate your answers. Let's elevate our understanding. Prepare to explore the advanced and intricate applications of bacteria in modern medical science. Antibiotics work by targeting specific bacterial structures or processes, such as cell wall synthesis or protein production. Understanding these precise mechanisms is crucial not only for developing new drugs but also for combating the growing threat of antibiotic resistance. Beyond insulin, recombinant DNA technology utilizing bacteria is now producing a wide array of therapeutic proteins like human growth hormones, clotting factors for hemophiliacs, and interferons, which are vital for fighting viral infections and certain cancers. This technology ensures high purity and reduces adverse reactions. Bacteria are also being explored as innovative vectors in gene therapy. Modified bacterial strains, such as attenuated Salmonella can be engineered to deliver therapeutic genes directly into human cells, potentially targeting specific tumor cells or correcting genetic defects. This approach offers unique advantages but also presents challenges related to safety and immune responses. Furthermore, bacteria play a significant role in bioremediation. Certain species, like Pseudomonas possess enzymes capable of degrading toxic compounds found in pharmaceutical waste, helping to clean up industrial wastewater and reduce environmental pollution from drug manufacturing. In diagnostics, bacteria are invaluable. They produce enzymes used in widely adopted ELISA kits for detecting various diseases. Bacterial luciferase genes can be integrated into biosensors to detect specific pathogens or chemicals, offering rapid results. A truly revolutionary application is the adaptation of bacterial CRISPR systems for rapid and highly specific detection of viral and bacterial infections. This technology, known as CRISPR-based diagnostics, is transforming our ability to quickly identify and respond to disease outbreaks, highlighting the incredible versatility of bacterial systems. Now, let's tackle some harder questions. First, discuss the different mechanisms through which antibiotics act on bacteria. Second, elaborate on the significance of recombinant DNA technology using bacteria for producing therapeutic proteins other than insulin. Third, how are bacteria being explored as potential vectors in gene therapy, and what are the challenges involved? Fourth, explain the role of bacteria in the bioremediation of pharmaceutical waste. Fifth, describe two ways bacteria are utilized in medical diagnostic tools. Sixth, what is antibiotic resistance, and how does understanding bacterial mechanisms help combat it? And finally, compare and contrast live attenuated and inactivated bacterial vaccines in terms of their preparation and immune response. Good luck! Ready for the ultimate challenge? Let's dive into the cutting edge of bacterial bioengineering and its profound impact on medicine, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The fight against antibiotic resistance is driving incredible innovation. One groundbreaking approach involves engineering bacterial CRISPR-Cas systems to specifically target and destroy antibiotic resistance genes in pathogenic bacteria. This offers a precise way to disarm superbugs. Another re-emerging strategy is phage therapy, using bacteriophages viruses that naturally infect and kill bacteria to combat resistant infections. Synthetic biology is also at the forefront, designing novel bacteria that can produce new antimicrobial compounds or act as living drugs to sense and treat infections directly within the body. Engineered bacteria are revolutionizing drug delivery and diagnostics. Genetically modified bacteria, like attenuated *Salmonella*, can be designed to selectively colonize tumors or infection sites. There, they locally produce anti-cancer drugs or antimicrobial peptides, minimizing systemic side effects. For diagnostics, bacteria engineered with reporter genes, such as GFP or luciferase, function as highly sensitive biosensors, glowing or changing color in the presence of specific biomarkers or pathogens, enabling rapid, point-of-care detection. Furthermore, optimizing bacterial metabolic pathways allows them to serve as microbial cell factories for the high-yield production of complex biomolecules, including novel drug precursors. The field of immunomodulation is also being transformed by bacterial insights. We can now engineer therapeutic probiotics to express beneficial proteins, like anti-inflammatory cytokines, directly in the gut to treat metabolic or inflammatory disorders. Understanding how bacterial components interact with our immune receptors is leading to new vaccine adjuvants and immunotherapies. The bacterial CRISPR-Cas system, originally a bacterial defense mechanism, has become a cornerstone of genetic engineering. It allows for precise gene editing to correct genetic mutations causing diseases and forms the basis for revolutionary diagnostic tools like Sherlock and DETectr, offering unparalleled sensitivity and specificity in pathogen detection. As we push these boundaries, ethical and safety considerations become paramount. Biocontainment strategies are essential to prevent engineered bacteria from interacting unpredictably with the environment or human microbiome. Ensuring precise gene editing without off-target effects and carefully managing the use of selection markers to avoid contributing to antibiotic resistance are critical. Regulatory hurdles are substantial, requiring rigorous testing and approval for novel bacterial therapies. The future holds personalized medicine, tailoring bacterial interventions to an individual's unique microbiome, and the design of synthetic microbial communities for robust therapeutic outcomes, all potentially guided by AI and machine learning. Let's challenge your understanding with the first 5 hardest questions. 1. Detail how CRISPR-Cas systems and phage therapy offer distinct, advanced approaches to combat antibiotic resistance. 2. Explain the mechanism and advantages of using genetically engineered bacteria for targeted drug delivery compared to systemic administration. 3. Describe the concept of bacterial biosensors and provide an example of their application in medical diagnostics. 4. How are therapeutic probiotics being engineered to deliver specific therapeutic proteins for treating chronic conditions? And 5. Elaborate on the dual impact of the bacterial CRISPR-Cas system in both gene editing therapies and advanced diagnostic platforms. Now, for the remaining 5 hardest questions. 6. What are the critical ethical and safety considerations that must be addressed in the development and deployment of novel bacterial therapies? 7. Beyond basic production, how do microbial cell factories represent an advanced application of bacteria in synthesizing complex medical biomolecules? 8. Compare and contrast the specificity and application scope of bacteriophages versus CRISPR-Cas systems in combating bacterial infections. 9. Discuss the potential role of artificial intelligence and machine learning in advancing bacterial bioengineering for future medical applications. And finally, 10. How does the success of fecal microbiota transplantation indirectly highlight the broader importance of understanding and manipulating bacterial communities for health, even without genetic engineering? Take your time, these require deep thought. Wow, what an incredible journey we've had, exploring the useful roles of bacteria in medicine. From producing life-saving antibiotics and vaccines to pioneering genetic engineering and cutting-edge therapies, these tiny organisms truly are medical marvels. We've covered everything from basic applications to the most advanced bioengineering concepts. To continue your exploration and master these fascinating topics, visit synapse.omaps.in for more engaging content, interactive lessons, and practice questions. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing biology insights. Keep learning and stay curious.